Hi viewers, good morning. This is Raji Ramakrishnan. Um, Here I am going to show you how to clean the brass lamps which has got these stains. After some time we uh, observe that these black spots. See in the here, you can see here black spots comes, and it's very difficult for us to clean it. Either you have to clean it with a sharp knife, like see, like this you have to just scrape it off, or but sometimes it's very difficult to remove it, like so. What today I did is, see this lamp which we cover like this with the glass on top of this, like this we cover it. So even this portion becomes black, and it's very difficult to remove it. Even the you can see this in between this path, you can see that the black spots are there. So it's with the finger we cannot clean it up, and it's very difficult to scrape this off from this side. And here also it becomes very black. See, sometimes the working people, they don't get time to clean it every day. Perhaps when we are cleaning it every day, this will not accumulate. Since once in a week if you are doing it, see, it accumulates like this, and this black spots remain, and it looks very dirty. Here you can see this in this, especially when this thing curves are there, so that it goes inside this curves and get jammed over here, and it's very difficult to remove it. Like now you see, if you scrape it like with the knife, how much time you are going to do this, like. So what I did is, today I took in a vessel this washing soda and pitambari. Pitambari is a powder which we get in the market for cleaning the brass vessels and copper vessels. This is the powder which we get. It's very useful. Then just dip the vessel in the water and completely remove it, and then you just apply the pitambari on the vessel, on the diyas. See here how I have cleaned this diya. It's sparkling, and even this ghanti also, the bell, and the plate, brass plate, which I have cleaned with the pitambari. Now coming back to the cleaning of vessel with soda and pitambari, what I did is I took it in a vessel, a lot of water, and put a tablespoon of see, in this vessel, a tablespoon of soda and a tablespoon of pitambari in it, and boiled it with, I dipped this inside the that vessel in the water, and I boiled it for around 15 to 20 minutes. Then after taking it out, you will see that the color is changed a bit. Don't worry about it. Completely the black stain with that oil, it comes out. And again apply pitambari, and then Patanjali's soap we are having, dishwashing soap we are having. I used that again to clean it up, and it's quite clean now. That black thing, the spots over here is gone from here without much difficulty. Now this, I purposely kept it here to show you that we can this is what is accumulating and how to clean it, about all these things. That's why I didn't put this in the solution to boil it.